Saxophone muna tayo, saxophone. Ang sound check natin. Operated by Jones Odulat and Sounds ng Rohali. Ayan guys. Ay ating naka-all rocks tayo guys. Ang ating mga connector guys. XLR puro L angle yan guys. Made by Prolano Gigable ng Aerod Quezon City. Then naka-full ring tayo guys. Ayan, tower natin. Ating compression. Ayan ang setup natin. Mga ka-sounds. Siyempre, ang iyong DJ today, DJ Jones in the house. Ayan guys. So yan, saxophone lang tayo guys. Pang chill lang muna tayo ngayon. Thank you so much and to everyone at sa inyong suporta sa ating Facebook. Diyan ka bang ating channel Jolly TV in the house. Ayan. To my Kajelly TV, may ka-Facebook, Kapadya, Kasas Industry, my team, Sounds and Lights, Associate Taguig Chapter, so siya, may team Baskog in Bulacan, ka-team Lastig, may family Sparks. So, bago sa aming channel, huwag kalimutang i-subscribe, like, and share. Pakita rin natin all bell button para updated po kayo sa aking mga next videos at i-upload na videos. Thank you so much for watching and God bless to everyone.